Joint Action Committee JAC of all Manipur Mspdcl and Mspcl 2019 exam completed candidates staged a highly charged protest today, marching towards the Chief Minister's bungalow to demand the revocation of the government's cancellation order and the immediate declaration of their long pending results. Aggrieved aspirants thronged the high security zone, raising slogans such as "Revoke the cancellation order," "Declare Mspcl and Mspdcl results," and "We waited for years, don't ruin our careers." A police team intercepted the march, pushing the agitators back from the immediate premises of the Chief Minister's residence. Following the standoff, a delegation of JAC representatives engaged in discussions with senior law enforcement officers to voice their grievances. Speaking to media, a JAC representative, Dabu Salam, strongly criticized the administration's apathy, stating that the government has continuously ignored their plight and blocked them from direct communication despite submitting multiple representations and ultimatums. He warned that the aspirants had run out of patience and will escalate their movement into aggressive, statewide agitations if authorities fail to address their grievances and roll back the cancellation order.
Dabu Salam. I Haugiba 2019 da logiba Mspdcl amadi Mspcl gi exam da saruk ya zaru ba du candidate amani asi akoina sembanglo da thubin jabagi maram si atai karishna te oi haugiba takak kya da jo akoina akoi exam se haido piu na kanna takna dun lakpani adubu laibak thibudi 2025 ta PR lengak lengi manung da akoi thabak se kaksat pirame adu hariba thabak se kak pasi maram chate revoke to biu aduga akoi thabak se athu matam da haido piu haidana akoi demand se tan dun lakpani akoi memorandum kya pire no sarkar se la matung da ade minister kya unare MLA kya Taksan taksan student protest tawre akoi tawba ba tawre adubu akoi gi punsi singsi kari sulai taw mali bai type ta akoi na inthok pirakan da akoi gi demand sibu thoksabi da bai mong da swain ta tasana dana usna dan lei basa masi akoi ta sengna yam nuai jati maram di kagino hai matam da akoi gi sida exam sida saruk ya gi candidate singsi AS bar oiba myam yaure adagi lai gi da myam khak yaure adagi housing leiba candidate khara di mentally depressed leiba ada anxiety leiba dum myam su yaure